Hello, in this video, I'll be showing to you how staking works on Celsius Network. The best part on Celsius Network staking is that you don't need to lock your assets, which means you can withdraw it anytime. Here's the interest varies depending on the coin. Okay, let me log into my account and show you how it looks like and if it's worth it. This is the homepage where you can see your total wallet balance and interest earned. So whenever you put your coins in your account, it will be automatically earn interest weekly. Just like what I did, I put 151 last May 2020 and look at it now, it's already 225 in value. Inside your wallet, you can track your asset growth by day, week, month, year, which is very easy. Just to test the app, I only put 900 Cell tokens since most of my coins are on Crypto.com. I use Liquid Exchange to buy the token, for if you buy it directly on the app, the fee is expensive. On Liquid Exchange, the fee is only 10 Cell token compared to Simplex fee, which may range to $10 to $35, depending on the amount you will be buying. Each month, Celsius will be sending emails or posts on their pages for the monthly rate. So far, it's pretty good, and since I got Cell tokens the most, I got a Platinum loyalty reward, which means I earn more with my coins. This loyalty reward is based on how much Cell tokens you have. Let us navigate the app. Here's how loyalty reward looks like. The app gives you the idea how much you could earn based on the Cell tokens you have.
One week later.
Alright, so after a week, I got my interest for my Cell token. I'll get 5.12 PA. With my 900 Cell tokens, I'll be receiving 0.5 Cell tokens weekly. It's a bit small, but I'm planning to buy more. That's it guys, so if you want to join Celsius Network, check the video description and use my referral link and you can get $10 BTC sign up bonus.